Hello friends and students, once again welcome to my channel Maths Tips for You. We have started studying indefinite integrations and the method is substitution method. This is the video part 14. Here in this video part 14 we are studying some typical example in indefinite integrations. Now in this part we shall solve such type of examples. Example, evaluate one integration 1 plus cos alpha into cos x upon cos x plus sin x dx. Number 2, integration 1 plus sin alpha into sin x upon sin x plus sin alpha plus sin x dx. Now I will solve the number 1 and number 2 is left to you as an exercise. So let I is equal to integration of 1 plus cos alpha cos x upon cos alpha plus cos x dx is equal to. Now here 1 is, and so we substitute identity, trigonometry identity, fundamental identity 1, that is cos square alpha plus sin square alpha is equal to 1. So it is sin square alpha plus cos square alpha plus cos alpha into cos x upon cos alpha plus cos x dx is equal to integration of sin square alpha. From this last two term we take cos alpha common. So it is taking cos alpha common, it is become cos alpha plus cos x upon cos alpha plus cos x dx is equal to. Now dividing cos alpha and cos x to each term. So it is sin square alpha upon cos alpha plus cos x dx plus cos alpha into bracket cos alpha plus cos x upon cos alpha plus cos x dx. Here cos alpha plus cos x, this bracket and denominator get cancelled. So this is equal to integration of sin square alpha upon cos alpha plus cos x dx plus cos x, alpha is constant, so it is cos alpha integration of 1 dx. The integration of this is x. Now only evaluate this part. So it is, we denote by I1. I1 is equal to sin square alpha upon cos alpha plus cos x dx. By using formula, this is of the type a plus b cos x, integration of 1 upon a plus b cos x. Then for that we have to put tan x by 2 is equal to t, replace sin x by 2t upon 1 plus t square, and cos x is equal to 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square. So therefore put tan x by 2 is equal to t. Differentiating with respect to t, we get derivative of tan is sec square x by 2 into 1 half by chain rule dx is equal to dt. Therefore dx is equal to dt upon, here 2 is divided, it is get multiplied to the RHS, sec square x is multiplied to the left hand side, so it is get divided into right hand side. So it is sec square x by 2. So dx is equal to 2 dt upon sec square x by 2 is 1 plus tan square x by 2. So this is equal to 2 dt upon tan x by 2 is t. So it is 1 plus t square, and cos x is equal to 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square. Putting the value of this, now I1 become integration of sin square alpha upon cos alpha plus 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square into dx is replaced by 2 dt upon 1 plus t square. So this is equal to sin square is constant, 2 is also constant, so 2 times sin square dt upon 1 plus t square upon, here LCM is 1 plus t square, so cos alpha 1 plus t square plus 1 minus t square divided by 1 plus t square. So 1 plus t square get cancelled. So this is equal to 2 sin square alpha integration of dt upon, here multiply cos alpha inside the bracket. So it is cos alpha plus cos alpha into t square plus 1 minus t square. So this is equal to 2 sin square alpha dt upon one plus cos alpha. We can take t square common, so plus cos alpha minus 1 t square. So this is equal to 2 sin square alpha dt upon one plus cos, it is 2 cos square alpha by 2, half angle formula, and taking minus sign, it is 1 minus cos alpha t square. Therefore, is equal to 2 sin square alpha integration dt upon 2 cos square alpha by 2 minus 1 minus cos alpha is equal to 2 sin square alpha by 2 into t square. So this is equal to, taking sin square alpha by 2 common, 2 times sin square alpha by 2, 2 sin square alpha upon 2 sin square alpha by 2 dt upon, here cos square alpha by 2 upon sin square alpha by 2 minus t square. So this is equal to 2 get cancelled, sin square alpha upon sin square alpha by 2 bracket integration dt upon cos square upon sin square, it is cot square alpha by 2 minus t square. Using the formula, integration of 1 upon a square minus x square dx is 1 upon 2a cos of a plus x upon a minus x plus c. So this is equal to sin square alpha upon sin square alpha by 2 into 1 upon 2 times a. A is cot of alpha by 2 log of bracket cot alpha by 2 plus t upon cot alpha by 2 minus t plus c. So, this is equal to sin square alpha upon sin square alpha by 2 upon 2 times cot alpha by 2 means cos alpha by 2 upon sin alpha by 2 log of cot alpha by 2 plus tan is equal to, we have taken tan t is equal to tan x by 2. So, it is tan x by 2 upon cot alpha by 2 minus tan x by 2 plus c. Here sin alpha by 2 and 1 factor of sin square alpha by 2 get cancelled, there, which is equal to sin square alpha upon 2 into sin alpha by 2 into cos alpha by 2 into log of cot alpha by 2 plus tan x by 2 upon cot alpha by 2 minus tan x by 2 plus some constant is equal to sin square alpha upon 2 times sin theta into cos theta is sin of 2 theta. So, it is sin of alpha into log cot alpha by 2 plus tan alpha by 2 upon cot alpha by 2 minus tan x by 2 plus c. So, we get sin alpha, one factor of sin square alpha get cancelled. So, it is sin alpha into log of cot alpha by 2 plus tan x by 2 upon cot alpha by 2 minus tan x by 2 plus c. So, this is I1, and therefore, now I is equal to integration of sin square alpha upon cos alpha plus cos x dx. We have evaluated this value, this integral, and therefore, I is equal to sin alpha into log of cot alpha by 2 plus tan x by 2 upon cot alpha by 2 minus tan x by 2 plus plus cos of alpha, integration of 1 is x plus some constant. So, this is the answer. The next example, that is example number 2, is left to you as an exercise. It is on the same line as the example number 1. We replace 1 by identity sin square alpha plus cos square alpha. Then we can take sin alpha common, and then we get the two terms. So, in this way we have solved the example number 1, and which is video part number 14. Thanking you for watching my video.